All right, so I had a request about some of these last problems because they don't provide a side measurement, right? Some of these have the side measurements, but 5, 6, 7, and 8 do not have side measurements. So these are the harder ones. You have to find everything. So I picked a problem like number 6 to go through, right? So a hexagon with an apothem of 15. So right there, if you've got your 1/2 AP, your apothem is already given. The 1/2 is given, you have to find perimeter. Right, so I'll switch over to my other document. And here's my crude drawing. Yeah, it looks nothing like the other one, but I tried. Right, so there's the apothem of 15. And if I make a little mini triangle out of that, right, I'm going to take that and actually just reorient it over here. But if I flip it over, so your apothem is still the 15. This little piece is going to be that piece of the side, and your hypotenuse is going to be that little radius of the figure. Right, so I get a 30-degree angle here. And again, that comes from, if I were to take these side, each individual side, like if I made this whole wedge, right, this entire angle would be 60. Because again, if I did all these connections, you'd have 6 different triangles, but divided by 2 gives you 30 there. So there's 30 degrees. And so now you can do trig, or you can do special right triangles. So special right, when you have a 30-degree angle, says your long leg divided by radical 3 is your short leg. So I did divided by 3, I rationalized it. So you get 15 radical 3 over 3. And then if well, that's just the one piece, which is going to help out. All right, so that's this little half piece here. But to get the whole side length, one full side, you need to double it. So times 2 gives you 30 radical 3 over 3. And if I simplify, it gives you 10 radical 3. So that's why each side would be 10 radical 3, 10 radical 3, 10 radical 3. All those are 10 radical 3, giving you your perimeter of 60 radical 3. Right, so that's really the piece you're trying to find. So these problems are harder because you do have to find the other missing side lengths as well. Right, so 1/2 of the apothem, which was given, times that perimeter, and then you can solve from there. All right, hope that helps. Bye, guys.